Hi, thanks for joining us on this quick wins for blended learning in numeracy and maths. What I want to show in this session is a bit of a cheat. It's not an Office 365 tool, but a Microsoft Office tool on the desktop version of the app. And what I'm going to do is show you how to create a voice recorded PowerPoint presentation that you could use as a tutorial with learners. So it does, as I say, require going to your Glow app library, searching for Office, and it's not this Office 365 online, but this download Office now tile that you're looking for, and that'll let you download several copies of Office to your laptop, PC, mobile devices as required. So it's got more functionality than the Office 365 version, including the capturing and recording. So we've got to slideshow at the top, and I can use to record the slides, and that's what I'm going to use to narrate over the top of my slides as I go, but it will let me export it all as a video at the end. So what I'm going to ask or demonstrate to learners here is that I've got some coins. I can make it a bit easier to count them if I perhaps sort them from smallest to biggest, obviously in terms of value, not size. And then, or that I could group them, and that would let me count them all up. So if I group the coppers, group the silvers, and then group the pound and £2 together. So just quickly, what I've used is the snipping tool here at the bottom of the screen to take a copy of those manipulative coins from mathsbot.com. So all I'm going to do here now is I'm going to duplicate these slides just so I can show the coins being sorted, and because I've copied the individual coins across from MathsBot, I can sort them in order here. So I'm just going to sort those coins into the centre of the screen there, and I'll do the same for grouping these coins by their values roughly. Okay, so now I've got my slides ready to present to my learners and to narrate over the top of. So slideshow and record slideshow. So to shuffle back to the start, and then I can introduce my slides as if I were presenting them. Record at the top of the screen, and I'm good to go. So what I would do in the video is I'd explain to my learners that what I'd like them to do is watch a tutorial. I might suggest that they pause and have discussion with a friend, sibling or adult that's there. They could discuss different ways to do this. And I'm going to show them the coins and I'm going to demonstrate different ways to count them with addition. What's quite handy, you'll see in a wee second, is I've got the drawing the inking tools at the bottom of the screen there. So if you've got a touch screen device, that's super easy. I've just done it with the mouse in this version. So I'm just going to show them how they can do some counting on using the inking tool. So if I add on one coin at a time, and I can notate that on the screen to show them how I'm doing that. This is obviously one of those parts you can do however you teach numeracy or this type of counting. You know, that's up to yourself how you might do that. Just wanting to demonstrate how you can use PowerPoint and the PowerPoint record tool to show different ways of doing numeracy and presenting that for blended learning. So as I said, this case might be a tutorial that you present to go along with an activity that learners can do at home, and they're able to then watch that back in their own time, at their own pace, and re-watch if they have to, if they don't quite understand it. So really effective for support learners. And again, just showing them a different example here by grouping the coins. So once the coins are put into their order, my learners can just go down the column and count them. What's quite handy, I think, again, is you can demonstrate here that the coins go roughly making up their place value from the units to the tens to the hundreds there. Technically, I suppose the fives would be in the units, but again, kind of quick and easy way to add those up. So once I've finished recording my demonstration there, I've shown that how to get a solution. I'm going to stop the recording, and I want to, you can listen back with the repeat button there, but I'm going to close that, go up to File and select Export and create a video. Now you get some options here. I'm going to choose the lowest resolution. I think 480 is absolutely fine for an instructional video. You can also export it to 4K and HD, but I don't think that's relevant for this. And it's just going to use the narrations and the pace that I set for my demonstration. That's going to be the output of the video there. So give it a suitable name and save it in my files. And then what I can do is I can go into my files, and you can see it exporting here at the bottom. Just give me a wee bit of progress on how that's going. It might take a few minutes depending on your computer. And once that's ready, the wee bar will be complete and it will disappear, and my file will be available for me in my folders. So if I go to my documents, I can find counting coins. There it is. Open it, and that video is good to go. So I can share that with my learners, whether that's on Teams, YouTube, Google Classroom. I could embed it in a Microsoft form as a tutorial, and then give them some counting coins questions. Hope that's been useful. Thanks for watching.